Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Oura Ring 3. First, make sure your Oura Ring 3 is fully charged. A complete charge typically takes between 20 and 80 minutes. Next, download the Oura app from your phone's app store. It's available for both iOS and Android devices. Finally, confirm that Bluetooth is enabled on your smartphone. This is crucial for the Ring and app to communicate effectively. Now, let's get your Ring paired. Open the Oura app on your smartphone. The app will guide you through the initial setup steps. Keep your Oura Ring 3 close to your phone, ideally within a few inches, to ensure a strong connection. When prompted, select your Oura Ring 3 from the list of available Bluetooth devices. This usually appears as Oura Ring followed by a unique identifier. Once paired, the app will ask for some personal details, such as your height, weight, and age. Providing accurate information helps the Oura app personalize your health insights. Grant the app any requested permissions for health data access. This is essential for full functionality. Remember to wear your Oura Ring 3 consistently, ideally for at least 24 hours, to begin collecting comprehensive data. If you encounter any connection issues, don't worry, there are a few simple fixes. First, try restarting both your smartphone and the Oura app. This often resolves minor glitches. Next, check the Oura app for any pending software updates. Keeping the app current is important. Finally, confirm that your Oura Ring 3 has sufficient battery charge, as a critically low battery can prevent connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.